How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect your Logitech G29 to GTA 5 PS5. So it's extremely simple to do this. First things first, you just want to make sure that everything is set up, that your pedal is connected to the actual controller right here, or the actual wheel, and from there we then want to simply plug the USB onto our PS5. So it's going to be this USB port right here. Just plug the other end onto your PS5, and before you do that, you also have to make sure that you have set the mode to PS4. Now PS4 is also compatible with PS5, and you could do that by switching the mode onto the edge of this specific corner right here. So just switch the button from PS4, and the other one is going to be PC. Make sure that the PS4 is selected, and then right after, you want to press on the PlayStation button, and then the wheel will go ahead and turn itself automatically. Basically what this means is that it will calibrate the wheel to that specific console, so just wait for it to finish. And right after, press on the PS button once again, and now you have activated the controller in order to use it for your PS5. And so that's how easy it is. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.